Christina.
Yeah, just moments ago, the SEC filed charges against Binance and its founder, CEO, CZ, which he's known for.
The SEC files charges against Binance entities and
its creator, who is known as Changpeng Zhao, are indicted by the SEC. Binance, which is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, is being sued by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for alleged violations, including mixing billions of dollars in customer funds with a separate trading operation run by its top executive. The markets have started to decline as a result, and the price of one Bitcoin has fallen to $25,500. What, however, actually happened? What can we anticipate happening in the upcoming weeks? Most significantly, at what price are cryptocurrencies likely to fall? We won't waste any time and will immediately begin this news update. Before we continue, it should be noted that this channel offers a daily prize of 100 XRP tokens. You only need to be a subscriber to this channel and comment with the hashtag XRP to the moon. Here is a brief rundown of what has occurred. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, which is Binance, and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao, have been sued by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on grounds of several securities law violations. The accusations include running unlicensed broker-dealers, clearing agencies' exchanges, misrepresenting trading monitoring and controls on Binance's U.S. platform. Between mid-2018 and mid-2021, when these alleged crimes allegedly took place, Binance generated $11.6 billion in income. The SEC further claims that Binance and Zhao were secretly in charge of Binance's U.S. platform's operations, which allowed for the combining or redirecting of client assets. According to reports, huge sums of money were transmitted to Zhao's British Virgin Islands-based cryptocurrency asset trading company, Merit Peak Limited. The SEC further claims that funds were transferred to Sigma Chain, another Zhao-owned company that is accused of engaging in manipulative trading to artificially boost the trade volume on the Binance U.S. platform. Notably, the SEC asserts that Binance acted recklessly with regard to securities laws by offering a number of well-known cryptocurrencies, including Cardano, Polygon, and Solana, which it labeled as unregistered securities. The price of this and other cryptocurrencies fell sharply in the wake of the SEC complaint. Particularly, Bitcoin dropped below $25,000, a 3.6% decrease in just one day. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission took legal action against financing in March for allegedly defrauding investors by falsely representing the volume and profitability of its trading and for providing illegal services to U.S. clients. It is anticipated that Binance's business operations will be considerably impacted by the continuous regulatory pressure involving two prominent U.S. regulators. The SEC's measures, according to Binance, look to be part of a hasty attempt to impose jurisdiction over other regulators despite the company denying the charges. In the midst of these regulatory difficulties, reports surfaced regarding a prospective leadership change at Binance and a potential decrease in Zhao's ownership position in Binance US. That concludes the update on what has occurred, what is likely to occur next. Though over the coming days and weeks there will be 6 significant developments. Volatility in the cryptocurrency markets is first. The second is legal responses. Third is the regulatory scrutiny. Fourth is investor responses. Fifth is Binance leadership changes. And sixth is the effect on the company's activities. Let's elaborate on each of these. Volatility in the cryptocurrency markets. The charges have already led to some instability, and this may continue in the near future as traders and investors absorb the news and modify their positions while Binance is in the news. This news has an impact on the whole cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin, and further price changes may occur. Legal reactions. Binance is likely to defend itself in a proactive manner. This can entail paying legal professionals to refute the SEC's claims in court in an effort to lessen the charges or possibly have the case dropped, given the size of the case. The defense may focus on particular securities regulations and contest how the SEC is interpreting them in relation to cryptocurrencies. Given that the company has always argued that it lacks a fixed headquarters, Binance's reaction might possibly involve contesting the SEC's authority over its activities. Regulatory scrutiny. As regulators may utilize this opportunity to broaden their regulation of the entire crypto economy, other exchanges may come under increasing scrutiny. To prevent similar cases, exchanges may begin to closely monitor compliance with securities regulations, investors' responses. The SEC complaint will probably elicit a range of responses from investors, depending on their level of risk tolerance. Some investors, especially risk-averse ones, may withdraw money from Binance out of concern for possible investment losses. In the short run, this might result in a drop in trade volumes and therefore lower prices. The drop in price may present a buying opportunity for other investors, particularly those with a high risk tolerance or a long-term outlook for the cryptocurrency market. They might think that the market will rebound and provide large gains in the long run. The cryptocurrency markets may see considerable volatility as a result of these many reactions. Changes in Binance's executive team. We might observe changes in the executive roles at the company in light of the rumors of a likely change in Binance's leadership and Zhao's prospective reduction of his investment in Binance West, effect on Binance's business. The outcome of the lawsuit may require Binance to drastically change how it conducts business. If proven guilty, Binance might be required to pay hefty fines which would have an effect on its financial situation. In addition to financial fines, regulatory bodies may demand that Binance stop some operations or modify its methods in order to adhere to U.S. laws, particularly when it comes to offering services to U.S. customers. For instance, Binance may need to implement stricter regulations to make sure U.S. users cannot access its global network. In addition, Binance might want to strengthen user funds control and transparency, particularly if these funds are going to Zhao-owned or controlled organizations. These modifications may result in higher operational expenses and may have an impact on how users interact with the platform. What prices might cryptocurrency prices decrease to in light of all of this? And what am I doing with my crypto investments? Since Bitcoin somewhat influences the price of each currency on the market, it will be our main focus. Well, it appears that Bitcoin has support at the $25,000 level as of right now, which is significantly higher than what I would have first imagined for a situation of this nature. But as more information about the effects of Binance's operations becomes available, I continue to believe that some more negative news could drive the price of Bitcoin to the $22,000 level. But everything isn't bad. Even though we are currently in a bear market, not everything will be terrible for cryptocurrency. It's still feasible to achieve good price increases even on days like today, because several projects have increased by over 10% in the last day. Additionally, given the increased volatility, it may even be a better time to start day trading in cryptocurrencies, which allows you to profit whether prices are rising or falling. I have been day trading cryptocurrencies for less than 2 years, and I previously traded FX for more than 5 years. So please let me know in the comments if you guys would like a lesson on how to begin cryptocurrency trading with a modest amount of capital, and I will go to work on it right away. But the most crucial thing to keep in mind when it comes to price declines like these is that despite how horrible a 7% price drop in a day may seem, this shouldn't worry you if you still think Bitcoin will reach $100,000 and that cryptocurrencies have worth. Keep your cool and hold on to your tokens, please. Regulatory difficulties like this can only benefit the crypto industry in the long run. However, are you familiar with the Apple VR headset? Apple has unveiled a VR headset that might ignite a metaverse bull run. Therefore, click the video that appears on the screen right now to learn more about the top metaverse ventures to invest in 2023. That all for now. If have any business proposal, kindly send us a message in the mail or telegram provided in the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell.